Take two. Okay, for the people who think I'm bad at math, here you go. Ooh. Yucky, yucky. Don't like the noise. 72. And then, there we go. Where is it? Okay, so, and then, where is it? This is annoying a bit. There we go. This is so tempting. I always want to press the wrong ones. Oh no. Yeah, there we go, and then, there we go. Then, there we go, and then, there we go. There we go. Yes! 21 out of 21. If you think I'm bad at math, then try that for yourself. Okay, let's play another times tables games. Because we're going to start learning multiplication. I can do my 10s actually. See how much I can do since they're so easy. Nah. I want to do more 12s because they're really fun. Okay, so 8 times 12. Where is it? Actually, where is it? Okay, there we go. I was going to say, where is it? And I start answering them really quickly. This game is fun. 7. Oh, there we go. Trust me, this is not someone else doing it. This is actually me. I am doing this one. My goodness, this is a bit harder than I thought. 4. Okay, and then there we go, and then 12 times 12, and then 9 times 12, 7 times 12. I was gonna press it. No, I was so close. There we go, 16 out of 16. What should we do now? I'm not gonna do mix because that's too hard. I gotta focus on one. What about I do my 10s? I want to see how many I get. Like, I'm gonna try and get a lot. So, right here. Okay, we're going super fast. I am going speed running. It's just hard to find the damn buttons. Where are these damn buttons? Oh, I misclick. I thought that was 100. Gotta look at the first one and then please. Yep. Yep. Oh, silly me. Yep. 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 28 out of 30. I only answered 2 wrong. Great. Great. Okay. Now, if you still think I'm bad at math, then I will literally do it again. I'm bad at division, though. You can say that. 8 times. Okay, there we go. And, yeah. There we go again. Yeah. Then it's 8, so what am I? 8. There we go, and then yeah, and then they're right there, silly me. They're right there, and then okay, this is gonna be easy now. So 144, and then there we go, and then oh, where is it? Why are they at the bottom? So right there, and then Where is it? Oh, there it is. Why do I keep getting so confused? It's only me. Oh my goodness. Where is it? Right there. And then... Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Okay. See you in the next one. Bye.